Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are coming to discuss a topic concerning myth in the health field. Now, myth is any idea that a lot of people have come to believe which is actually false. Today we are coming to look at arthritis as a myth. Now, there are a lot of people that hold the conception that arthritis is caused by the cracking of your hand, which is actually scientifically proven is false. Arthritis comes as a result of the inflammation of your joints. The cartilage at your joints gets worn off, which causes the bones to grind over one another anytime you are walking or doing something that is involving the joints. That is why you hear some sound when you have arthritis. When we come to knuckle cracking, the sound that is produced comes as a result of the escaping of gases that are in the synovial fluid, which produces a sound that you hear after you crack your hand. So, scientifically proven, a paper written in 1990 and then 2011 shows that there is no association or relationship between cracking of hands and then arthritis. Therefore, that is also a false idea that the society has held onto. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.